In this video, I'm going to review the trade alert that was sent for CPRX as part of our stock trade alert service here at Stock Market Guides. So you can see here that it's indicated what the ticker symbol is in our trade alert, as well as when it was posted. And the idea here is that you can follow these trade alerts and just simply know that they have a back-tested edge. And so if you don't want to do any research and you just want us to tell you when we find trade setups that have a back-tested edge, these trade alerts accomplish that. They tell you, when the trade alert is sent, which is right when the trade alert is sent, is the signal that it would be time to consider entering the trade. And then it also indicates when to exit the trade if you want to follow in lockstep with the trade setup. Now, for those who are interested in knowing more about the trade setup, we offer that information. And it's one of the things that really distinguishes our service. We show you how many times has this particular trade setup occurred in the past and what happened. And it's specifically tailored to this stock. So the strategy in this case, the trading strategy, is one that revolves around buying at the support level. And you can see this is how it's performed in the past when this setup occurred. So let's see how this particular trade turned out. Again, the entry was on June the 26th with an exit on July the 1st. So June the 26th is right here, and the price at the time that we posted the trade alert was $14.80. And so you can see that was actually, it's right where this dotted line is, where my cursor is. So the entry was right here. You can see it was right above the support level. And buying at support is something that's talked about a lot among those who are active traders or who like looking at chart patterns. And does it work? Does it not? That's what we try to answer. And what we said is this setup has occurred 27 times in the past, and there were 17 wins, 10 losses, and this is the annualized return of this setup for CPRX historically. So that's the question that we answer, is buying at support even a good idea? Well, what we do is we say, here's what's happened historically. So if you had taken this trade, you would have entered right at 1480, which is right above the support level there. And it was a 3-day trade, so it called for an exit on July the 1st, which is this day at the opening bell. And so you can see this certainly turned out profitably for this particular trade alert. The entry was here, the exit was right here, so it made a nice move over 3 days from here to here. And it's almost like there was a floor right here, and this thing just bounced right off the floor, which is exactly what the trade setup is designed to take advantage of. So in this case, it worked out quite well. It certainly doesn't always work out well with trades, whether it's with our trade alerts or with any trade you take in general. You're not always going to win. It doesn't matter how good a trade setup is or how much historical support there is for a given trade idea. You never know what's going to happen next in the market. And so what we do is we try to give you information that could put the odds in your favor for being profitable over time. So our goal is simply to help you, to educate you, to give you information that could help you make a profit in the market. If you have any questions about our trade alert service or just about the market in general, you can contact us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.